Get paid $2 every minute, Autopilot. Make money online. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm about to show you how you can start making money online without having to lift a finger every day. That's $120 an hour on Autopilot. Whether you're at work, hanging out with friends, or even sleeping, this method could help you generate a passive income stream. Stay tuned because I'm going to walk you through all the steps you need to get started today. But first, don't forget to hit that subscribe button, give this video a like, and leave a comment down below if you have any questions. Step 1. Understanding print-on-demand and passive income. So what exactly is this magical method that's going to make you $2 every minute? The answer is something called print-on-demand, also known as POD. If you haven't heard of this before, don't worry, I'm about to explain everything. Print-on-demand is a business model where you can sell custom-designed products without ever having to physically touch them. Whether it's t-shirts, mugs, phone cases, or even posters, you don't need to handle any inventory or shipping yourself. That's what makes this method so powerful. With print-on-demand, you simply design products, upload those designs to an online store, and whenever someone purchases one of your items, a third-party service, like Printify or Printful, handles everything else. They print the design on the product, package it, and ship it straight to the customer. All you do is collect your profits. Let's say you sell a phone case for $20. The print-on-demand service might charge you $12 for printing and shipping the item, leaving you with an $8 profit for every sale. Now imagine scaling that up and making multiple sales every single day without doing any extra work. That's the beauty of passive income. Step 2. Finding free images to use for your products. All right, now that you know how print-on-demand works, the first thing you need is some designs to put on your products. The good news is, you don't need to be a professional graphic designer to make money with this method. You can start by using free stock images from websites like unsplash.com, pexels.com, and pixabay.com. These websites offer thousands of high-quality, royalty-free images that you can use for commercial purposes. For example, let's say you want to create products for pet lovers. You can simply search for dogs on Unsplash, and you'll find tons of cute and trendy images that are perfect for things like phone cases, t-shirts, or mugs. Best of all, these images are completely free to use. After you've found a few images that you'd like, go ahead and download them. I recommend downloading around 5 to 10 images to start, and you can always add more later as you grow your store. The more unique and visually appealing your designs are, the more likely people are to purchase your products. Step 3. Signing up for a print-on-demand platform. Next up, we need to sign up for a print-on-demand platform. There are several options out there, but for this tutorial, we're going to use Printify. It's one of the most popular platforms, and it integrates easily with online marketplaces like Etsy, Shopify, and eBay. To get started, just head over to printify.com and create a free account. This will give you access to their catalog of products, including t-shirts, phone cases, mugs, pillows, and more. Printify works with a network of print providers around the world, so no matter where your customers are, they'll be able to receive their products quickly and efficiently. Once you're signed up, you can browse their product catalog and choose which items you want to sell. For this example, we're going to start with a phone case, but you can explore other items as well, like hoodies or tote bags. Step 4. Designing your first product. Now that we've chosen a product, it's time to design it. This is where those free images we downloaded earlier come in. Let's go ahead and upload one of those dog images to the phone case template in Printify. Once your image is uploaded, you can adjust the size and positioning to make sure it fits perfectly on the product. Printify's interface is super user-friendly, so even if you're new to this, you'll have no problem creating a professional-looking product. If you want to, you can even add text to your designs. For example, you could add the name of a dog breed or a catchy slogan to make your product stand out even more. And just like that, you've designed your first product. It's that simple. You don't need to be a graphic design expert, and you don't need any expensive software. All you need is a few good images and some creativity. Step 5. Setting your prices and profit margins. Now, let's talk about pricing. This is where you can determine how much profit you want to make from each sale. Printify will show you the base cost of the product, which includes the cost of printing and shipping. You can then set your selling price based on how much profit you want to earn. For example, if the base cost of a phone case is $12 and you set the selling price at $20, you'll make an $8 profit for every sale. You can experiment with different price points to see what works best for your target audience, but a general rule of thumb is to aim for at least a 30-50% profit margin. The great thing about print on demand is that you have complete control over your pricing. You can offer discounts, run promotions, and adjust your prices based on what's selling the best. And remember, every sale is passive income because Printify handles all the fulfillment for you. Step 6. Connecting your store to an online marketplace. Once your products are designed and priced, the next step is to connect your Printify account to an online marketplace where you can start selling. Printify integrates with several popular platforms including Etsy, eBay, and Shopify. For this example, let's connect our Printify account to Etsy. Etsy is a great platform for selling custom products because it has a built-in customer base that's always looking for unique, handmade, and personalized items. Plus, Etsy is easy to use and doesn't require a huge upfront investment. Once your account is connected, you can easily publish your products directly to your Etsy store with just a few clicks. Printify will automatically handle the rest, from creating mock-ups to syncing inventory and processing orders. Step 7. Promoting your products to increase sales. Now that your store is set up and your products are live, it's time to get some traffic. The more people who see your products, the more sales you'll make. One of the best ways to drive traffic to your store is through social media. Platforms like Instagram, Facebook, and TikTok are perfect for promoting your products, especially if you're targeting a specific niche like pet lovers or fitness enthusiasts. You can post eye-catching images of your products, create short videos showing them in action, or even run paid ads to reach a larger audience. But social media marketing isn't just about posting and hoping for the best. To truly maximize your potential for sales, you need a strategy. Start by identifying which platforms your target audience is most active on. For example, if you're selling products to younger customers, TikTok and Instagram are great places to focus your efforts. These platforms allow for creative and highly visual content, which works perfectly for showing off your print-on-demand products. Once you've identified the best platform, create a posting schedule. Consistency is key when it comes to social media marketing. You want your audience to regularly see your posts to stay top of mind. Aim to post daily or multiple times a week. Use Instagram stories, TikTok Reels, or Facebook posts to showcase your latest designs and even offer sneak peeks at upcoming products. One of the most effective tactics is influencer marketing. Reach out to social media influencers who align with your niche and have them promote your products to their followers. You don't necessarily need to go for big names. Micro-influencers with a few thousand engaged followers can be just as effective at driving sales. Offer them a free sample of your product in exchange for a review or post. Facebook ads are particularly powerful because they allow you to target specific demographics, interests, and behaviors. For example, if you're selling products with dog designs, you can target people who love dogs, own dogs, or follow popular dog-related pages. Step 8. Scaling up and automating your income. The final step to earning $2 per minute on Autopilot is to scale up your business. The more products you offer, the more chances you have to make sales. You can start by adding more designs to your existing products or even expanding into new niches. Another great way to scale up is by using automation tools. For example, you can use social media scheduling tools like Buffer or Hootsuite to automatically post content and promote your products across multiple platforms. You can also use email marketing services like MailChimp to send automated emails to your customers, offering them discounts and promotions. The more you automate, the more passive your income becomes. Eventually, you'll have a fully automated business that generates money for you 24/7 with minimal effort on your part. That's how you can turn this method into a consistent source of income. So there you have it, guys. Those are the 8 steps to earning $2 per minute on Autopilot using print on demand. It's a simple, scalable business model that anyone can start even if you have no experience. If you found this video helpful, make sure to smash that like button, subscribe to the channel for more tips on making money online, and leave a comment below with your thoughts. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.